Creating consistent AI visuals is still a massive challenge. You've seen the results, but today we're starting with the basics. This is my first tutorial for beginners on how to replicate this look easily. Don't worry, more advanced guides are coming to level up your skills with motion control and professional techniques. For now, let's master the foundation. Creating a realistic character isn't luck, it's a formula. If you just type generic words, the AI gives you garbage. Instead, I use a strict structure. First, define the exact subject and action. Second, build a specific environment to give the AI a stage. And most importantly, use constraints. For the Ice Warrior, writing "no armor, no cape" forces a grounded, tactical look. This is the exact framework. Subject, medium, setting, camera, and extra details. Master these 5 steps, and you control the output. Let's put this formula to the ultimate test. I'm taking the exact same Shadow Infiltrator prompt and running it through 6 different AI engines. I enforce the exact same camera settings: 70mm film, anamorphic lens, and f1.4 aperture. The results prove why you must control the AI. Auto mode is basic. Dream 5 is solid, but 4.5 fails and gives us a copyrighted Batman. Nano Banana models actually respect the smoke physics. Kling completely fails with another Batman. Flux 2 Pro delivers a grounded, dark tone. We've built a full roster of elemental warriors. Which superhero inspires you the most? Choose your champion and drop your answer in the comments right now. This is exactly where most beginners ruin their generated images. First rule, the aspect ratio. Set this to 16:9 cinematic. We already built a 70mm anamorphic look in our image prompt. If you don't match it here, the AI will crop the frame and destroy your hero's composition. Next, lock the quality to 1080p. It provides the most stable render without forcing the AI to hallucinate random details. Now, look at these style filters: action, horror, spectacle. Ignore all of them. Choose general. If you apply a stylized filter, the engine will overwrite your color grading and kill the deep shadows and lighting we just created. General forces the AI to strictly respect your original image. The biggest mistake you can make is choosing aggressive camera motions that warp the facial structure of your character. I stick to subtle camera tracking, or leave it on auto to let the natural physics of the elements do the work. Set the duration to 6 seconds to prevent the scene from melting over time. The constraints are locked. Look at the visual consistency we've achieved. By mastering the director panel and choosing the general style, we force the AI to respect our original cinematic lighting and 70mm composition. No more hallucinations, no more warped faces. Each elemental hero maintains a professional. If you want to replicate these exact results and skip the learning curve, I've made it easy for you. The complete motion prompts and settings used for every single shot in this video are waiting for you right now in the description below. Quick announcement before we move to the audio. I am officially building a dedicated platform for this community, mindsos.com. The main site is still under construction, but I've just opened the resource hub. Every exact motion prompt and 70mm camera formula used in this video is already live and waiting for you. The link is in the description. Head over and copy them directly into your engine. Alright, let's turn these silent clips into a true cinematic blockbuster with sound design. An AI-generated video without sound is just a moving picture. To give these elemental heroes a true blockbuster presence, we need a custom cinematic score. For this, we use Suno. Instead of searching for generic stock music, I prompt specifically for a dark, orchestral trailer cue with heavy brass and rhythmic drums to perfectly match our cinematic aesthetic. We generate, download, and we're ready for the final assembly. Bring your generated clips and your Suno track into CapCut. Drop the elemental heroes on the main timeline and place the custom score right underneath. The secret to professional editing is pacing. You want to make sure the heavy hits and musical swells align naturally with the visual presence of the characters. We trim the excess audio, apply a smooth fade-out at the end, and just like that, these raw AI generations stop looking like tech demos and become a studio-grade production. That wraps the edit. Drop a like, subscribe, and grab the full workflow on mindsos.com. See you next time.